Our focus is our customers and the safety, and if we have someone who's not allowing us to do that, I'm sorry, but our customers and their safety is number one priority. I'm Jade Schiss, and I am co-owner of Classic Auto Collision with my brother.
I'm Brewster Hoops, and I'm co-owner and manager of Classic Auto Collision. We do repair specialty equipment, specialty metals like aluminum. The second largest purchase that most everybody makes, or largest investment, is their car. We want to make sure we help protect your investment, and that starts with a proper repair.
The passion I have the most is doing the job right and making sure it's correct. Whether it benefits us or not, I'll always do what's right. That's how we were raised.
We've got to be there to help them through what it takes to get their vehicle fixed and to deal with insurance companies. We really want our customers to know that we're here to help you.
We're getting third generation kids coming to us and they're saying my family, my dad, my aunt, my uncle, whatever it is. We get a lot of that. So that's why we want to be proud of our name and keep doing the right thing, because if we don't, we won't be here to serve them like my grandpa served them.
Our grandfather, Norris Bergner, he was the one who created Classic Auto Collision. It was a two-car garage they started out of. One bay was for bodywork, the other bay was for paintwork. Added on from there every time he had money to build on. I think I was 12 when I started working here. I would dump garbages, mow the lawns. Then I started washing tow trucks, changing filters and paint booths, just all the random shop maintenance. I learned this shop inside and out.
When Mom and Dad bought the business, they asked me to come into this business with them to help them kind of deal with the other side of it, the insurance side, paperwork, getting approvals, getting paid, that kind of stuff. So I started in 08, 09. I didn't have a ton of knowledge. I would missay what vehicles were, what they weren't. As the years have progressed, I've just learned by what I've seen, and I've enjoyed learning all the different cars, different pieces. So I've grown to love that aspect. I think the passion I have the most is doing the job right, making sure we follow what we should do, because we were just raised to do what's right, raised to help people. Like I said, it doesn't benefit us if we can help a customer out, even if it's to send them somewhere else. I want the best thing for them.
And that's another reason that we feel really tied to this community and doing a good job for people is we were supported in our time of need. And for customers, you know, we need to help them in their time of need. And so I think there's that real connection there as well, that we really want to make sure we do right by people. This isn't just a business that you see somebody and kind of sell them a quick burrito and send them out the door. I mean, you're doing a lot more for them. And a lot of people don't really realize how much goes into it. And so that's where we come into play and make sure that we help them.